Hi, welcome back guys. We have a Land Rover Discovery 5, the 3-litre diesel V6 engine, and it's highly likely the reason you're here is because you're seeing this message when you're trying to check your oil level. And you can't check it because the engine doesn't have a dipstick. Right, so first mistake we made really is the engine's running, so we need to turn the engine off. So turn the engine off, wait a second, and go to position 2 on the ignition, which is one tap of the button. Right, I press OK to get rid of the menu there. What you will find is even with the vehicle off, the oil level is still unavailable. What we found is if you've had the engine running up to temperature, what you need to do is probably wait at least 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes for the engine to cool down, and it will show you the level once it's happy that all the engine's cool. We'll come back in 10 minutes time and we'll show you the screen you should be expecting. Right, so we've given it nearly 15 minutes there, so we should, all going well, there you go, that's what you're expecting to see. And please don't forget to like this video if it helped. Even leave a comment if there's anything else that you wish to see you're having trouble with, and just drop it down in the comment section.